Welcome, Cosmic Explorers. Today, we're diving deep into a celestial event that promises transformation and renewal. Mark your calendars for February 12, 2025, when the full moon lights up the night sky and ushers in a period of profound change. Whether you're a seasoned stargazer, an astrology enthusiast, or simply curious about the universe's hidden messages, this video is your guide to harnessing the full moon's transformative energy. Let's explore how this cosmic phenomenon can empower you to shed old patterns and embrace a brighter, bolder future. On February 12, 2025, the universe offers you a key to unlock radical change. This isn't just any full moon, it's an energetic wake-up call. Imagine the air around you thick with possibility, every breath feels heavier, every thought rings louder. It's as if the cosmos itself is whispering secrets that have long been hidden from view. The full moon acts as a cosmic alarm clock, inviting you to wake up, reflect, and ride the wave of transformation before the tides of change reshape everything around you. Known as the snow moon by Native American tribes, thanks to February's snowy landscapes, this lunar event is far more than a beautiful light show. Picture a fresh layer of snow covering old, worn-out tracks, creating a clean slate. This is nature's way of giving you the opportunity to wipe the slate clean and start anew. This full moon serves as a reflective mirror, guiding you toward deep personal renewal. It's a chance to let go of what no longer serves you and to plant the seeds of future growth. The energy is further amplified by rare astrological alignments, where the influences of Mars and Venus enhance our emotions and the dynamics of our relationships. And if there are additional cosmic events, like eclipses or retrograde motions, expect even more energy to bring hidden truths to the surface. This is your moment to release the old and welcome the new. Astrologically speaking, this full moon shines in the sign of Leo, a symbol of creativity, bold expression, and personal power. Under Leo's influence, emotions are heightened, urging you to step into the spotlight. Think of Leo as that encouraging friend who nudges you onto the karaoke stage, daring you to sing your heart out. The moon is practically shouting, "Stop hiding. It's time to let your true self shine." But there's more. With the sun positioned in Aquarius on the opposite side of the sky, there's a gentle cosmic reminder to balance personal ambitions with a commitment to the collective good. In other words, while you're busy stepping into your power, don't forget to share your light and help others along the way. Balance is the key to lasting transformation. Let's switch gears for a moment and talk science. The February full moon is known for being one of the crispest and clearest of the year in the northern hemisphere. Cooler air means less humidity, which translates into a high-definition lunar display. On the night of February 12, 2025, the moon will appear particularly striking, almost as if it's within arm's reach. Here's a fun fact: although the moon is approximately 238,855 miles away from Earth, on this special night, it will feel close enough for a high five. It's a stunning reminder that even at such distances, the forces of nature connect us in intimate and meaningful ways. Throughout history, full moons have been considered sacred, a time to let go, manifest dreams, and connect with our innermost selves. Across cultures, this lunar phase is seen as an opportunity to release what no longer serves us and to set our intentions for the future. In Hindu culture, the full moon, or Purnima, is a time for reflection, fasting, and spiritual practices that help clear the mind and purify the spirit. In Wiccan traditions, full moons are celebrated with rituals and magic, serving as a powerful time for both releasing negativity and manifesting one's desires. In other traditions, many cultures around the world see the full moon as a moment to pause, reflect, and realign with the natural rhythms of life, no matter your spiritual or cultural background. The energy of the full moon is universal. It offers a doorway to connect with your true self and with the timeless rhythms of the cosmos. So, how can you make the most of this lunar energy? The great news is you don't need an elaborate setup or fancy tools. The moon's energy is accessible to everyone. Here are some simple yet powerful practices you can try. 1. Moonlight journaling. Take out your journal and let your thoughts flow. Write down what you wish to leave behind, old habits, negative thoughts, or lingering regrets. Then, articulate your vision for a renewed, empowered self. The act of writing can be incredibly liberating and insightful, too. Moon bathing, find a quiet spot outside or by a window with a clear view of the sky. Stand or sit comfortably, and allow the gentle glow of the moonlight to wash over you. Let the cool, serene light cleanse your energy and recharge your spirit. It's a simple way to absorb the moon's transformative power. 3. Focused meditation. Set aside time for meditation with a clear, focused intention. Visualize igniting your inner creative fire and stepping into a more powerful version of yourself. As you meditate, imagine the moon's energy merging with your own, fostering clarity and courage to overcome any obstacles. By engaging in these practices, you're not only honoring the moon's energy but also paving the way for personal growth and transformation. While the full moon offers a powerful opportunity for change, it's important to be mindful of habits that could dull its impact. Here are 7 pitfalls to steer clear of during this transformative period. 1. Drowning in negative emotions. Acknowledge your feelings, but don't let them overwhelm you. Use this time to process emotions without getting stuck in them. 2. Overindulgence. Whether it's food, drink, or distractions, moderation is key. Excess can cloud your mind and drain your energy. 3. Unnecessary conflicts. Choose calm and mindful communication over confrontations. Avoid engaging in disputes that could sap your energy. 4. Neglecting self-care. Prioritize rest, proper nourishment, and acts of self-love. Your well-being is crucial for embracing change. 5. Starting new endeavors. Focus on finishing projects or addressing ongoing issues rather than scattering your energy on new ventures. Complete what you've already started. 6. Ignoring your inner voice. Pay attention to your intuition. Your gut feelings and dreams are guiding you, don't dismiss them. 7. Excessive digital consumption. Limit screen time to avoid the constant barrage of negativity. Disconnecting can help you reconnect with your inner self. By avoiding these traps, you can maintain a clear, focused mind, perfectly aligned with the moon's transformative energy. Here's another exciting aspect. The energy of this full moon isn't limited to just one night. You'll have a 3-day window, 72 hours of cosmic support, to fully embrace and manifest the changes you desire. Over these days, be open to subtle signs, vivid dreams, sudden moments of clarity, or unexpected shifts in your emotional landscape. These signs are the universe's way of guiding you toward a deeper transformation. This extended period is your chance to set bold intentions, release old energies, and step confidently into a new chapter of your life. Use this time wisely and listen to the inner guidance that surfaces. This full moon isn't merely asking you to change, it's inviting you to upgrade your life. It's your chance to shed outdated energies and embrace fresh insights. So, ask yourself, in these 72 hours, will you choose to remain stuck in old patterns, or will you rise to meet the transformative energy that surrounds you? If you're ready to embrace this opportunity, here's how you can join the cosmic conversation. Hit that subscribe button. Join our community of seekers and stargazers who are all on a journey of growth and transformation. Share your moon plan. Comment below with your intentions and the practices you plan to use during the full moon. Let's inspire one another with our unique visions and shared courage. Spread the word. Share this video with anyone who might need a little extra cosmic encouragement to step into their power. As we wrap up, remember that the full moon is a powerful ally on your path to transformation. Whether you're releasing burdens, setting new intentions, or simply savoring the luminous glow of the night, this celestial event offers endless opportunities for growth. The energy is here for you to harness, so seize it with confidence and clarity. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the cosmic energy of the February 12th full moon. May its radiant light guide you to new beginnings and inspire you to transform your life from the inside out. Until next time, keep shining bright and remember, the universe is always on your side. Stay curious, stay inspired, and most importantly, stay connected to the magic of the cosmos. See you in the next video.